Welcome this video. Video title is Elevate Your Outdoor Space. Simple backyard landscape idea. Transforming your backyard into a tranquil oasis. Do not have be to be an overwhelmed task with some create and strategy plans. You can turn even the smarts outdoor space into a charm retreat that reference your personal and style, whether you are aiming for a choosy handout spot or a vibrant gardening. Have those smart backyard landscape idea will inspire to make the most to your outdoor area. Create define space. Start by dividing your backyard into distinct area. Even survey are significant popular, for example designing one area of dining with an patio set or pending table and other for long with comfortable seat and a fire pit, a separate area for gardening or low game. This divide while not only makes your space but also create a scene of original and ordering. Add greenery. Incorporating plants is one of the immediate way to enhance the beauty of your landscape. Consider plants or max flower shades or gardening tree to add textile color and deep to your landscape. Other for landscape below main interest vibrant that in your claimed with max keep up considering gardening are also a great after for smart space and area poor soil quality. Create a focal point. Even backyards should have a focal point that draw the eye sketch survey as a vibrant. This could be a strike price of outdoor art and decoration, a Pablo defend or vibrant or even a choosy hamlet between two three. Choose something that represents your personal style and comfort complement the overall theme of your backyard. Incorporating lights. Do not overlook the importance of lights when design your backyard oasis. Lights can expand the usability of your outdoor space well into the even and create a warm, invite atmosphere. Consider installing static weather solve power, lecturing or pathway lights to illuminate key area and add a touch of magic after dark. Introduce natural elements. Incorporating natural elements like stone, wood, and ground can add warmth and textile to your backyard landscape. Use those materials to create pathway, board, or some area that blend seamless with the surrounding element. Natural element lend artistic charm to your outdoor space and can be easy incorporating into any design. Different style boundaries different of boundary your backyard with fence, hard or landscape functional to create a survey or provide and leading. This will make your outdoor space feel like any expand can to your home then an opening. Choose material and design that complement the architecture of your home and enhance the overall aesthetic appear of your backyard. Add functional element. Make your backyard could not only beautiful but also functional by incorporating